The future of housing, 3D printed homes. A quick overview, 3D printed homes are changing the way houses are built. Instead of using bricks or wood, a large 3D printer builds the walls by adding layers of a special concrete mixture. This technology can make construction faster, reduce waste, and lower building cost. While it is still developing, 3D printed homes are already being built in several countries and may help provide more affordable housing in the future. A quick table of context and what we'll be exploring. What is a 3D printed home? A brief history, how 3D printing works, the various materials used, where these homes are built, the benefits, challenges, and costs associated, and how to learn more online. What is a 3D printed home? A 3D printed home is a house built by a large machine called a 3D printer. Instead of laying bricks one by one, the printer places layers of special concrete to build the walls. Think of it like decorating a cake with frosting, but instead using concrete. A brief history. In the 1980s, small 3D printers were invented for printing various things like plastic. In the early 2000s, companies started experimenting with printing buildings. In 2014, the first small printed homes appeared. And today, countries around the world are building neighborhoods entirely with 3D printed homes. 3D printed homes are created by layering concrete, cement-based mixes using automated printers, forming walls with precision and speed. What once took months can now be built in days, with heavily reduced material waste and labor cost. Beyond speed, these homes offer design flexibility, improved structural consistency, and strong potential for affordable housing, especially in regions facing rapid urban growth. Not futuristic experiments anymore. 3D printed homes are quietly becoming a practical solution for scalable and efficient housing. So why build homes this way? Well, 3D printing helps solve housing shortages. It can build homes faster, reduce cost, reduce waste, and provide some unique affordable housing solutions. So how does it work? Well, step one is designing the home. Architects first create a digital house design on a computer, and then the printer will follow this design exactly. Step two, printing the walls. The printer will move around the building site. It'll slowly squeeze out concrete layer by layer until the walls are finished. This printing process usually takes between 24 hours and several days, depending on the size of the home. Step three, after printing, the windows are installed, doors are added, plumbing and electricity are ran to the home, and then the roof is installed. And then the home is then finished like a traditional home. The various materials used. Most printed homes use special concrete, cement mixtures, reinforced materials, steel supports when they are needed, and these materials make homes very strong and durable. So where are these homes being built? Countries using this technology include the United States, Canada, Mexico, Germany, the Netherlands, and the United Arab Emirates. Some famous examples include Icon Homes in Texas, Cobod projects in Europe, and various printed communities in Mexico. These projects show how quickly homes can be built. Some more benefits: faster construction, lower labor cost, less waste, more affordable housing, and some unique home designs. Some challenges: the printers are very expensive to buy. Building rules differ by location. Not every home can be printed. Skilled workers are still needed, and the weather can affect the printing process. Home construction methods. A traditional home will take months and be a longer construction timeline. They'll require a larger on-site crew, and at the end, we'll have a lot of excess waste, materials, and debris. Whereas a 3D printed home takes only days, requires less labor as a lot of the process is automated, and uses material precisely, leading to less waste. Is this the future? Many experts believe 3D printing will become more common. It may help with building affordable housing, response to natural disasters, building homes in remote areas, reducing construction costs. However, traditional construction will still be very important. Some key takeaways of what we learned today: what 3D printed homes are, how they are built, the various benefits and challenges, where they are used, and how to learn more. If you'd like to learn more from this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard on Thursdays.